up, guys? Welcome to our first interview at the Dubai Precious Metals Conference 2025. I'm Adel, the host. Today, we have Izaz and Yash. How are you both doing today?
Good.
Good. So, what brings you here to this conference?
Dubai Gold Conference, Dubai is very leadership program, refiners, technology and learning, too much learning here and we are planning to in globally. The Dubai is very easy market to reach globally.
Fantastic. And you, Yash, what brings you here today?
So here, whenever we visit Dubai Precious Metal Conference, we get to learn new things, what's happening in the gold industry. I think Dubai is the hub for gold industry.
Fantastic. Amazing. I do believe that as well. Are you both trading any gold, precious metals like silver, and also commodities or crypto?
Actually, I'm coming from India and we have the retail jewelry showroom named Kalamandir Jewellers in India. And we have the four model. We have the airport model kiosk, we have the refinery, we have a lab-grown diamond manufacturing and retail store also. And retail jewelry. We have come in conference to learning to because industry leaders are coming here and too much education learn from our industry and what going on in world. Dubai is very easy market to come here and to learn how we can scale our business.
Fantastic. How about you? Yash, are you trading at the moment?
No, we are not trading, but we do trade in gold commodities, but not in crypto, nothing else.
Great. So, final question. What's something you would like to learn and take away from today's conference? What's something you would like to have with you?
Actually, agenda is the conference is very good. That's why I'm coming here. Too much industry leaders are here, and the consultants are here to how to establish our business here, and what going on international market, and how we can future sustain. And very good report are showcasing here to a refinery also.
Okay.
What actually done it in globally. That is
Fantastic.
the good thing is here. That's why I'm coming here.
And how about you? What do you want to learn from here?
So we have learned many more things yesterday. Yesterday, the presentation from Ghana was fantastic. We have learned many more. We haven't seen mining yet, but yesterday the presentation was super good, and we have learned many more things from mining. So yeah, really, it's a very insightful conference.
Okay, great. So, all the best and hope you have a great time at this conference. Hope it's insightful and you learn something that's good for knowledge, for your trading, for your industry, for everything in life.
Thank you, Adan.
Thank you guys. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Just stay here for a second. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave the links in the description. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Web3 TV.